How to create December dump Instagram story sticker. So let's get started. Creating December dump Instagram story sticker is fun and very easy. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside your Instagram account, tap on the Your Story icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your Stories section. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on the layout. If you do not want to add layout, then you can do that as well. And all you have to do is select photo or video from your December memories. Then again, add it all. Once added, tap on the check icon available there. Now once done so, tap on the sticker icon, the smiley face at the top. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the add yours option available there. Now here simply type down December dump, and once it is well written, then choose the sticker and place it on your story wherever you want to. I'm placing it on the middle. You can also customize your story with text or emojis according to your preferences. Now add it to your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.